Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set Gmail auto reply out of office email. Vacation responder. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set vacation responder on your Gmail, go to your Gmail account, click on settings icon on upper right corner. Now click on see all settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find vacation responder, and by default vacation responder is turned off. Now click here to turn it on. Now set your vacation first day. I am selecting here December 3, 2023, or you can change it. I am selecting here December 6, 2023, and select here last day, and this is optional. Now click here and I am selecting the date 15th December. From 6th December to 15th December I will be in vacation. Now set the subject. I am giving the subject vacation responder, and here the email message. I am sending the auto reply to any sender. Dear sir, thanks for your email. I am working on it. We'll let you know the update. Now an option is here, only send a response to people in my contacts. If you want, you can select it or you cannot select it. Now click on Save Changes. Vacation responder is set. It will automatically reply for any incoming mail. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.